Hi everyone, my name is Jane Tiapani, and today we're going to be talking about operation management. And after talking about operation management, we're going to be talking about how to apply the concept of the operation management in our society, such as a grocery store called Brookshire, located in Commerce, Texas. By definition, operation management refers to the administration of business practice to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. Operation management is also concerned with converting materials and labor goods into service as efficiently as possible for the profit of an organization. To relate it to our reality or our life, I'm going to give you an example about what me and my team member named Tyler we've done recently on Brookshire management system or management department. Last week, we got called by Brookshire Human Resources, and they were complaining about the fact that the sales was going down, but but on a daily basis, they were seeing many customers, and they were seeing many product coming in and out of the store. In the meantime, when I decide to have a meeting with the human resource, the supervisor, and some of the manager team, I came up with a simple idea of having or putting a survey in place. The main idea of my survey was to assess the customer satisfaction and the customer needs. So I left Brookshire Management Department with that survey. I came back in Commerce in Brookshire to see what was the result of the survey. I was pretty surprised when I saw that the result of the survey was pretty bad, because mainly the main problem of Brookshire was how to keep up with inventory. That was the first problem. The second one was how to make a customer satisfied with the goods and services that Brookshire is providing. The third problem was a management issues, which was a lack of communication between employees and a lack of communication between employees and customer. So how do my team members Tyler and I decided to resolve this issue and make Brookshire's financial statement look good, look pretty decent, because the main purpose of people trying to correct the financial statement is to attract investors. So we started by implementing a barcode or a technology thing. So myself and Tyler, we taught Brookshire how to keep up with inventory. We told Brookshire to have a decent or to have some barcodes on every single item that they have on inventory. And nowadays the technology make us keep up easily with our inventory that we have on the floor by barcodes. Barcodes is pretty easy to know how much item you have in your storage, because if you want to count your inventory on hand um, with or in the traditional way, it's going to be pretty difficult to do. So we help Bookshire get into some technologies, um, invention. So now Brookshire got the barcode and they know how to assess or how to give the name of each of their product. So whenever a customer come and get a bottle of water, they know that with the barcode they used to have 25 pack of waters. So when a customer gets four, they don't have to go on the floors to count every single one of them. They can just know with them computers that only four packs of waters came out of the store. The second issues from Brookshire that we tried to fix was the customer complaint. Customer was complaining because of misplacing item. They can go to the grocery line and see some item from the the cleaning product. So customer was complaining about all of these issues. So Tyler and me, we taught Brookshire management department how to keep a customer happy. The basics of keeping a customer happy is to communicate with the customer, is to know what the customer wants, is to know how to address the needs of the customer. When the customer comes and he sees a product, he doesn't want to have a product that is not going to work in the long run. So how to make Brookshire have some good product on time on the shelves. The third problem was a communication with customers and management issues. We taught Brookshire how important the customer is, because we all know that sales is the fuel of a business, but sales comes out of customer pocket. There is sales because the customer comes in the store, buy the product or buy items. So this is pretty much what we taught Brookshire how to do. And after 6 months, me and Tyler requested a note from Brookshire to see what really happened after we left them, or we left the location. Myself and Tyler was pretty amazed to see that inventory was really a big problem of Brookshire, because they were spending money and they were having a lot of inventory in the storage, but they were not keeping track on what they have, how much item are they supposed to add, how much item are they supposed to sell in order to meet the profit margin, how much item are they supposed to sell in order for them to increase their revenue. So after we requested this notice, we saw that Tyler and I did a really good job by helping Brookshire increase or make the financial statements a little healthier. Once again, my name is Gene. My team partner is Tyler. Is going to be in charge of the introduction and the conclusion. Thank you for listening.